ladies, and here we are again, another Friday, and today I thought it would be really good for me to actually make a smoothie for you, because a lot of my clients make smoothies, and I've seen people on the internet and whatever and on TV making a big joke out of making a smoothie, and they make it so that they try to put too much in and then it's thick and it doesn't go down smoothly, and it's supposed to be a smoothie, right? So don't overdo it. Don't think, oh, I'm going to put my whole week's veggies into one container, because it's not going to work and you won't drink it. You want to enjoy it, you want to look forward to it, okay? So basically, what goes into a smoothie? Well, raw ingredients, okay? So spinach, kale, broccoli, any raw veggie. Please go for the greens because they're high in iron, they're high in vitamins, they're high in vitamin A. Okay, they're really good for you, and we all need to be eating more greens, and they're the ones that we avoid, all right? So get your greens in, but look, loosely. Don't overdo it. As I said, you want it to go down smoothly, you want it to be runny, you want it to have liquid, okay? Then cucumber. I forgot to cut it, okay? So the cucumber you could cut in half and put it in, and some ginger. I've peeled it. I always peel the ginger, but Brett doesn't. He just puts it in without peeling it. Up to you, okay? Then we're going to do the fruit, whatever fruit you like. So you can use frozen berries, you can use, well, especially frozen berries, blueberries, blackberries. Blueberries very high in antioxidants. I don't really like my smoothie cold, so I like to use a fruit that isn't iced. But a lot of people prefer it iced, and I understand that, but it's just my palate, so everybody's different. I put a tomato in. As I say, when you're looking at what you're going to put into your smoothie, imagine it on a plate of things you don't want to eat and put those in. So vegetables, carrots, broccoli, a salad, basically any salad things that you can eat raw, obviously, okay? And then a fruit, because it'll just give it a nice flavor. And then I put in, just showing you protein powder. This one, I like to vary my protein powders. This is a hemp seed protein powder, high in omegas, prevents cancer. So I put a tablespoon of protein powder in, okay? So there we go. We've got all our ingredients in. As I say, whatever you see on a plate that you imagine that you wouldn't like to eat, put it in a smoothie, okay? And then add water. Now add water, okay? You don't want it to be thick. You want it to go down smoothly, right? Okay? Then we take the blade. So this is a NutriBullet, but you know, whatever you've got, whatever blenders you've got. Apparently it decides when it's had enough, and I think that was a complete overdo, all right? So then you release it. See, it's liquidy. If it's thick, I promise you, I guarantee it, you won't drink it because it won't be smooth. And again, so there you are, the NutriBullet, very nice because it comes with a lid. And then guys, you drink. Cheers. It goes down smoothly, hence a smoothie. Have fun this weekend. Cheers.